Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is kind of impromptu video, but I got something sent to me that I'm going to do unboxing, and also I got some new wheels, kind of, for the project over here. Project Civic. The first things first, let's open this package up. Got this package sent to me from Maxpeedingrods. We're going to do a quick unboxing. Check out these coilovers that they sent me. And then we'll be putting the new wheels on the Civic. So let's get this opened up and check them out. Alright, let's get this package opened up. And check out these new coilovers they sent me. Got wrenches here, nicely packaged. Super windy today. Damn. They really stepped up their game with these. These are the T6 Coilovers for 1990 to 2000 Civics and also Integras. Alright, got the coilovers unboxed. It was super windy, so I don't know if you could hear me. But yeah, these T6 coilovers from Maxpeedingrods, they really stepped up their game compared to their low-end models that they always had. Quality on this looks pretty good. Can't wait to install it and, go for a ride and see how they do. They have dampening up top. But yeah, overall, they look pretty good. I'll be installing these probably in November, so in a week or two, on the new project. Install it and do a driving video, so stay tuned for that. But for the rest of this video, we are going to get new wheels put on this. It was kind of impromptu. I was going to do after the coilover install, but I got flat today, so let's make this car look a little bit better. Well, here's the wheels. If you've been following me for a while, you know these were on the Integra before it got totaled. We took them off, but now they are going on Project EJ6. So here's a look with the stock wheels, stock cap, and stock height. Let's get this thing jacked up and get those rotos on. Here it is. What you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Always like bronze wheels. They look good on my white Integra. Not too bad on the silver Civic. I mean, it's not going to be silver for long. Still need to do my build plan video on this. All the stuff I'm doing now is just little things. Pretty much like budget kind of stuff, but the real build is going to be way different. I mean, it looks pretty good other than this big gap here. But I was going to do the wheels after I did the coilovers, but you saw what happened to my wheel. And then on the other side, it's looking 50% good. Some of you might know. Bam, looking good here, and then bam, stocky, boy. So this one's stock wheel. Like I said, I got these from my Integra before I totaled it, and the one wheel completely got destroyed. So I only had 3 of them. So So I might be looking for another one of these on Marketplace or something, hopefully find one. But it was something just to put on to make it look good. And because I already had one on there because the tire blew out, which I'll get a picture of that and put it in. Yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments below, how it looks like. And then if anyone's ever run these Maxpeedingrods T6, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of them. I think it's going to be cool to put them on. Make it like a budget build, you know. Wheels and coilovers are always the first thing you want to do. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Let me know what you think about the wheels and coilovers down in the description below. If you want to pick up your own set of Maxpeedingrod coilovers, I'll leave a link down in the description. Also remember, use code CCMate to save 10%. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace out. Other than the, you know, look at that, almost a full fist. That's what she said.